how dashing is this t-shirt. Okay, so back to my second winning. Yeah, what Cricut sent me. And these are some amazing things, and we're just going to talk more about it. So first thing in the box is this mat. Okay, this is a standard grip mat. These are all the things that it can paste properly. We'll use this mat for almost about everything. So yeah, this is a good one. But there are two sizes that Cricut gives you. One is 12 by 12. This is 12 by 12. And then there's another one which is 12 by 24, which also have lying around here somewhere, which I will probably must have seen. So second thing is, this is so pretty, iron on, which is glitter. And wow, okay, I was not expecting this actually. This iron on is really good. It goes on fabric, it goes on wood, it goes on a lot of variety of surfaces that I can work on. Other things that you can put an iron on, because this one, after you cut it, you have to put an iron on, and that's how it adheses. It sticks onto the surface. So look how they've made like a pillowcase. You can also stick it on felt, actually. I forgot to tell you that. Felt. All right, moving on to the next one, because there are a couple ones here. This one is adhesive foil. This is in silver. I was looking for silver, and actually this one is matte, if I can see. You know, you can also use it for your resin art, and this person has used it for their iPhone covers, clocks, mugs, cardstock, whatever, all of your projects, it can go, and resin. Okay, this is a strong bond. I'm looking at this for the first time. This is strong bond everyday iron on. Again, this is from the iron on category. And see, they've used it on wood, they've used it on like containers, pillow covers, t-shirts, you name it. Make it yours with this. This is a great bright yellow. I love it. Oh, okay. This is again a strong bond iron on, which is glitter. So great t-shirts. Another strong bond iron on. So I have a good collection of iron ons. So if you have multiple iron ons sitting at home, you can even do layering projects, right? And one of these projects, I'm going to teach you on how to do it in my May classes, and it goes by the name of making your own craft sign. And that's where we're going to use iron on wood, your everyday iron. Okay, we're not going to do anything fancy. So the next one in the box, we have premium vinyl. This is removable, all right, but it has a great collection, and you can get this for $18.99. All right, so this is a good collection. I can see all the cold colors, right? There's a baby pink in there somewhere, and there's also golden, green, blue, gray. I'm going to probably open it up and show you later on, but these are 12 by 12. And then the last one that I won is adhesive foil gold. Now this one again looks like a matte one, but this one looks really lovely. Again, this is perfect for your resin art pieces that you do. You can even combine it. Like, I haven't seen people do gold and silver on resin, and I wonder why can't you do gold and silver together in one product? Please do it, guys. You have both of them, and try it. Just try it. Okay, try it for one. Flowers with silver, and in the middle do it with gold. But I'm fed up of seeing just gold on resin. Like, please, variety. You know, you have different colors also that you can put in. It's not just these two that will go. So yeah, try on different colors, please, you guys, the resin people. And my box is empty. 4 iron-ons, and 4 of them are really pretty. 2 of them are glitter, and 2 are solid colors. And they're strong bonds, so I'm guessing that no matter how much you wash them, it wouldn't come off. And all of these are 12 by 24. The glitter one is 12 inches by 19 inches. All right. And I think that's plenty to do a lot of projects like pillow covers, even if you want to add logos on your t-shirts. And these are some colors that I haven't seen recently, so they're really pretty. Like, look. So 4 iron-ons, 2 adhesive foils, and then this whole pack of removable vinyls. And if you coat it with resin, UV resin, then this should work well. Okay, it will be pumped. So this was my winning. I'm really happy with it. Thank you, Cricut. And if you want to learn more how to use iron-on and all of these, then do check out my classes that I've posted for May if you're interested. All right, and it's getting really hot here, so I'm gonna shut this off. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I know I've been popping up more lately, but I really enjoy it, and get used to it. All right.